Hello, viewer. This is Dheeraj Mishra here from Guide Me Education Services, Calcutta. Today we have with us Richa Prasad, who will be sharing her experience of corporate and the experience of MBA. She has done her MBA from Praxis Business School, Calcutta in 2018-20 batch. She is currently working with Tata Steel BSL. Prior to going to Praxis Business School, Calcutta, she has completed her graduation from Goenka College of Commerce. Hello, Richa.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm doing great. It was a working day for you, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how was
We
the experience at Tata Steel? I mean, like you must be completing around 1 year out there. So how was the experience of last 1 year?
not 1 year, but yeah, it's almost 7, 8 months. So yeah, it was good. Initial days were of all introduction and induction. It happened like on a virtual mode only because I joined in May. So work from home चल रहा था उस समय. So I joined as a virtually. So induction भी वैसे ही हुआ. Introduction, training, everything happened over Microsoft Teams. So I haven't been to office yet, but still I had a very good experience. 7, 8 months. I think I've known the business quite well, and people around there and the work culture is everything is really good, and I'm really enjoying it. So I'm hoping this COVID session gets over so that I can go to office finally.
Great. Okay, tell us a bit about your job role. I mean, what you perform at Tata Steel BSL.
So, sir, I've joined as a management trainee. So, initial 2 months we had a introduction and training session. So, first month was completely about they were teaching us or training us about the business, about the company, how the plant work, how steel is made, how it is sold. So, they taught us like from A to Z. कोयला निकालने से सामान स्टील बेचने तक. So they have told everything and they taught us and they showed us videos. हाँ अगर it was on a virtual mode, so I would say कि सारा presentations और videos से ही हुआ. Otherwise, we would have visited the plant and saw it, अच्छे से समझते. But yeah, it was okay. It was good. They put their all their efforts. Then next month we were given a project. Like there were all the my fellow MPs. We all got a topic for the project, and whole 1 month we dedicated to the project. And after that project, we got evaluated, and basis that we were posted, and we were given different departments. So right now I'm in the sales planning and administration department. So it's a new department. Previously it was not there in Huchin Steel. It was not there. It's a new department. So right now we are working. I'm in the central team. I'm not. So I'll be working from the central office, which is in Delhi. So yeah, that's my basic job role is basically data analysis and reporting. So I prepare MIS dashboards and everyday reporting for the management. So right now I'm still a management trainee. So next year, maybe after 1 year of training, I'll get promoted. So yeah.
You have done your a PGDM program from Praxis Business School, Calcutta.
Yeah.
Which is not a college which promotes their brand quite a lot. I mean, it's one of the silent brand in Calcutta market. I mean, I do understand that they comes from a rich family as far as data science is concerned, but Praxis do not promote their these school quite a lot into like marketing and newspaper or something of that sort. How did you get to know about this Praxis? I mean, where has the information come from?
So I was in Kolkata. I did my graduation from Kolkata. So when I was taking my CAT coaching classes, so there only I came to know about Praxis. Everyone when the teachers were telling about the colleges, so I got to know about Praxis, and then it was suiting very well to all my conditions. No, I was having I have to stay in Kolkata. Plus, I needed to have a good college or something. So I did some research on my own. I talked to faculty, not faculty. I talked to ex students and everyone. I researched on Google. So yeah, I saw that faculty is really good in college. Teachers were there who were professors in IIMs and XLRIs, these kind of colleges. So basically, teachers were too good. So I really got, there were, and in institute, teachers are the main factor that makes up the institute. So I thought, okay, let's give it a shot. So went for the interview and it went really well. And I was like, okay, yeah, I'm in this. So yeah, and I'm really happy right now. I'm really satisfied with my decision.
Perfect. How was the teaching? I mean, tell us a bit about the teaching pedagogy at Praxis Business School, Calcutta.
So teaching, I would say in praxis, it's very different from what like what we have all actually experienced, what children experience throughout their school life and their college life. It's not the same. Everything will change when you go to an MBA institute. So it's not about one-sided lecture. Classroom teaching is more about a discussion. It's not that teacher talks and students listen. It's never like that. You have to talk. You have to speak in the class, everyone. So it's a more of a discussion, and we are not we are not just taught given I would say it's not about the books and the theories. We go through different case studies, we go through real life examples, and we work on it, not just teaching one sided, but students, as students we work on it. We get the case studies beforehand, so we work on the case studies, we try to solve it on our own, and then after in the class, then the teacher discusses it, and then we are like, okay, this way we have to think. So that is the way the studies, I would say, and every day assignments and tests, these are like a everyday schedule. Anytime you're sitting in the class 10 a.m, you're having a test at 5:30 p.m. So it's like instant. You have to be on your toes, you have to be prepared all the time, you have to keep revising and studying every time. So that's the thing, you have to be on your toes in practice. You just cannot sit back and relax ki theek hai exam aayega to pad lenge, nothing like that. हर रोज एग्जाम होता है, हर रोज टेस्ट होते हैं, हर रोज presentations होते हैं, so you have to be on your toes all the time. Yeah.
How would your life be if you are in a praxis? What time it start and what time it ends normally?
It has a normal college schedule. Like, okay, in the morning 9:30, 10, it starts, and it goes till evening. But yeah, I would say keep study time is if you're concentrating in the class, if you're there fully attentive, if you're attending the class. As I said, it's not a classroom teaching; it's more of a discussion that goes on in the class. So if you're involved in the class, you just don't need to mug up things. If you're understanding the concepts, you don't need to worry anything. So in the college we have book exams. So in open book exams, it's like if you're opening the book, means you have not studied or you've not attended the class. It's something like that. So it's not about bookish study. It's not about mugging up the book. It's more about understanding the concepts and applying those concepts in the real life examples and the case studies which we get, projects or research studies which we get. So it's more about that.
Okay. A lot of people have interacted with some of the student of praxis earlier as well. They say that it is quite rigorous in nature at there in the campus as far as assignment is concerned, quizzes are concerned, presentation is concerned. It's like back-to-back bouncers. So is it really that hectic?
It becomes hectic because it's not hectic, I would say. It just depends on the student, I would say. So we have this 11:59 deadline, which is a very very famous thing about praxis. Everyone says about it, everyone talks about it. So 11:59 deadline, if you're having that deadline, you have to submit your project before 11:59, be it assignment, be it presentation or anything. So yeah, that makes it, you have to work. People work पूरा दिन पूरा रात कब तक कितना चलता है पता नहीं. So and you have these assignments every alternate days, I would say. And there are like I would say there are so many subjects. We have trimesters. Okay, so in 1 year we have 3 trimesters. In each trimester we have on an average around 7 to 8 subjects. So 3 months, 7 to 8 subjects, midterm, end term assignments. So it goes. It's a long thing, and plus we have practicals as well. It's just not theories and presentations. We have practicals also, in hand practical practices we have in the classroom. So yeah, it becomes hectic sometimes, but still it's not that impossible. It's not that something which is beyond the world and no one can do it. It's nothing like that. People do it. I have done it, and I think it's really upon the student. If you're sincere enough, if you're paying attention in the class, if you want to do it, you will do it, and it's good.
Okay. Praxis is primarily known for its good quality faculty, which I have heard from a lot of people in Calcutta and a lot of students as well. A lot of faculty from Praxis goes to various IIMs and XLRI to take the classes as a visiting lecture. Do you think those things have given you some betterment as a part of this institute?
Praxis is a young institute, I would say. It's not very old. It's just 10, 11, 12 years old. So yes, because of the faculty, the college is where it is. Like being a 10 or 12-year-old college, it comes in, okay, PGDM is not the flagship, but data analytics and data science is. But still it is talked about. It is famous. It is coming, it is, it's ranking topwards. So yeah, teachers are the very, I would say 80% contributing factor, because teachers are really good. They've apart from being industry specialists, they have been teachers and professors in these IIMs and XLRIs, big institutes, and the way they are teaching us, it's like similar the way they teach them. So I would say the teaching pattern is similar, the study material is similar, everything is similar. Okay, so I think that all that anyway helps the college, that helps the student. We also get to know कि okay ऐसे पढ़ाई की जाती है, ऐसे होता है, this happens in MBA. So yeah, so teachers are a very big contributing factor to wherever the college is today, being so young.
Tell me 5 reasons why anybody should be joining Praxis. I mean, now because you have completed your 2 years there, but according to you, what are few reasons, top five reasons why one should join this B school?
First reason would be, if you really want to, do something, if you really want to improve, if you really want to get that overall development, be it academic wise or be it personality wise, Praxis is the place for you. Because teachers, you don't get lost in the crowd in Praxis. Every teacher knows every student's name, not just name, everything about that student. Okay, each student get individual attention. So you cannot just escape, you cannot just sit at the back bench and don't pretend not to be in the class. You cannot do that, you cannot escape. So if a student is willing to be, willing to work, if the student is interested and genuine to his, if you're studying, if you want to contribute, if you want to do it, then I think Praxis is a good place, because teachers are very good, very supportive, and you get individual attention. Second thing, the environment in Praxis, located in a very peaceful area. Okay, the environment is very nice, and if you want to study, if you want to concentrate, it's a great place. Other than that, I would say that you don't need to be a 99 percentile student to get admission in Praxis. If you have scored average also in CAT and MAT and other exams, competitive exams, I think Praxis is a good option, because it will give you, what do I say? I would say that you don't have to be cream of the cream to be in Praxis. It will make you the cream, something like that. Okay, you have to get there, and you have to work. It's as simple as that. And people are there to support you. Teachers are there to support you, and they're very friendly. Apart from being good teachers and very supportive teachers, they're very friendly teachers. No one should feel hesitant to ask questions. It's something like that. You can speak in Praxis, you can talk. ऐसे होता है ना क्लास में, there are some people who are very reluctant कि ठीक है मुझे ये नहीं आता है, and I feel left out कि मुझे नहीं पता. But that is not the case. You can speak up. Teachers support you. They encourage you to speak in class. अगर आप English नहीं बोल पाते हो, still you can go there and you can talk in English. आप गलत बोलो, but you try. So that is the thing. They encourage you, they support you. Their flexibility wise also, it's very good. Sometimes if you're not getting a topic, you ask. If you want extra classes, you can ask for it. They provide it. Schedule karte hain time. So I think it's a very adaptive kind of a place, and you will never feel, you will feel like a family when you enter Praxis. You will feel part of that place. You will feel part of that family, and it make you feel that way. Okay. So yeah, if you are sincere, if you want to work, and if you want to be, want to be ahead of the people, then yeah, it's a good place. And the best part is you don't have to be 99 percentile student. Yeah.
Okay. What are the different specialization Praxis had in your batch?
So for PGDM, we have market research, we have banking, commercial banking, we have HR, we have finance, and we have digital management. So these are the 5 specializations in PGDM. And apart from this, in data science, everyone knows data science is there. They have started this new course in cybersecurity, data analytics as well. So yeah, these are the major courses.
I have spoken to a lot of students. They are willing to go to Praxis primarily for data science program. But I have also heard that it is not being offered to everybody. Like in all the colleges, if you go and decide if you want to study analytics or finance or HR, you are allowed to take that. But in case of Praxis, I've heard that they conduct their own entrance exam to shortlist the student for data science. Is it true? And what is the reason of it? I mean, if you have your own understanding on that.
I would say that for data science, there is an option for PGDM students also. After completing, PGDM is for 2 years. So after completing 1 year of your course, there are certain subjects in which you need to qualify. Okay, they have a grading system, so you need to qualify. If you are above that grade, then you are eligible to sit for the entrance test that they conduct for data science. So it's not that it doesn't allow everyone; they allow it. They allow for everyone. Now, the ones who pass in that test with the required cutoff, they get into data science. It's not that they don't allow it. It's just you have to be competent enough to get there. So we have an option for the PGDM batch as well.
प्लेसमेंट सिनेरियोज कैसे थे आपके प्रैक्टिस में? कंपनीज आती थी बिकॉज बैच साइज थोड़ा छोटा होता है आपके पीजीडीएम में, प्रैक्टिस इनटेक काफी लिमिटेड रखता है. How was the placement scenario?
Placements is the most exciting part of Praxis, I would say, because ये start होता है आपका after summer internship. We have a summer internship after 1 year, of course. So that happens. वही नवंबर में शुरू होता है हमारा प्लेसमेंट. सो फर्स्ट ईयर में तो समर इंटर्न होते हैं, सो वी गो फॉर 2 months of internship. Then in second year, final placement starts. So the rush starts from October itself. नवंबर में हमारा first 0 day होता है. So that day is the big day for Praxis because that day मतलब maximum बच्चे get placed and maximum companies also come in on the 0 day. I don't, this time I think because of COVID they didn't have that 0 day, but we have it every year. So 0 day happens around 11th or 12th November. So in our batch, I think around 20 to 22 companies came in, including both data science and PGDM for both the profiles. So those many companies came in. Interviews start from 6 a.m. in the morning. रात तक चलता है 10, 12 a.m. So पूरा दिन भर, and most of the student gets placed. So placements का, I think that is the most exciting day because you prepare वो 2 साल, you decide, and that's you getting placed on 0 day is the biggest thing in Praxis because वो पहला दिन होता है and we have a thing, there's a thing in Praxis कि आपको 0 day में place हो जाना है, then you are like, okay, you are sorted, you don't need anything else. So it's very exciting times and a lot of companies come. ऐसा नहीं है, and companies come till March end. ऐसा नहीं है, वो पूरा आते हैं. It's not just 0 day. After 0 day, many days comes in. So yeah, starts from there. And yeah, most of the batch, I would not say 100% of the batch gets placed, but yeah, around I would say 93 to 95% people get placed. Plus, we have a criteria also. Everyone is not eligible for placements. We have a CQPI system, and there's a certain cutoff which is identified by the college, and you have to cross that cutoff to get eligible for placements. So out of those eligible students, I would say 93 to 95% students get placed.
Praxis में एक relative marking करके आता है. कुछ बच्चों ने बताया relative marking system है वहाँ पे. What is that? Relative marking होता है क्या, and how does the student graded into this?
The relative marking, I would say कि the ones in a group of 10, for an example, if in a group of 10 someone gets the highest marks, then the whole class gets graded according to that. Absolute में हो गया that if you score 10 out of 10, you are 10 out of 10. Okay, but relative में हो गया if you score 10 out of 10, then you are in grade A, and 9 out of 10 will be in B plus, something like that. So it goes on a balance. So yeah.
Okay.
It's a very subjective topic, I would say.
I do understand that. What about guest lectures? I mean, does guest lectures also come into the play at Praxis Business School, Calcutta? Or it's only a faculty which takes care of most of the lectures out here? No,
we have guest lectures, I think almost in all the subjects, I would say. So we have guest lectures every now and then in Praxis. I would say in a month, I would say 5-6 lectures तो हो ही जाते हैं, guest lectures, including all the subjects. So yeah, we have guest lectures all the time, and teachers do invite sometimes ex-students also come in and they talk about their experiences and their corporate experiences as well. So yeah, and it's mandatory for all of us to attend the guest lectures, and it's not just focused on one batch or one group of people or one, I would say, one area. Like finance के लिए आया तो it's not कि finance वाले बच्चे जाएंगे सिर्फ, it's not that. Anyone can go, and everyone should go, I would say. So yeah, it's very open, it's very flexible in that matter.
Okay. I've heard that a lot of top colleges do take quizzes as a part of their curriculum on a regular basis. Is it also there in the Praxis as well?
Yes, as I said, I mentioned earlier that quizzes and assignments are a everyday thing in Praxis. Every alternate days you will have quiz. It's something like that. So quizzes and assignments is a everyday thing. So you'll lose the fear of exams when you study in Praxis. होता है ना, एक डर रहता है कि अच्छा 1 महीने के बाद एग्जाम है या रोज एग्जाम्स होते हैं. So you lose that fear.
Clubs and committees are the regular part of many B school. Praxis में कौन-कौन से clubs हैं और उनके क्या काम होते हैं, क्या करना होता है?
We have 4 clubs in Praxis. Delphi है, Adda Club है, IT Club है, and FinCorp है. So these 4 clubs cater to the 4 different areas. Like FinCorp is for finance, IT is for IT, Delphi is for marketing and management, and Adda Club is there, which is for debate and GDs, etc. So yeah, IT Club, ये चारों club including IT Club and FinCorp and Delphi. So we all conduct these activities like हमारा it's like mandatory कि हर मतलब महीने में 2-3 activities तो करानी ही है. So there are club heads, there are presidents, I would say. हर club के एक presidents हैं. So they conduct tests and placements के time पे भी बहुत काम आता है because उस time पे we need more practice on GD and something and quizzes, etc. So yeah, it's mandatory and everyone has to be part of some club or the other. And activities में it involves it's open to everyone. It's not कि आप एक club के हो तो आपको उसी club के activity में जाना है. It's nothing like that. So it's open to everyone. Everyone gets invited and it happens.
My last question: who should join Praxis? They have got a lot of options. I mean, every student gets a lot of options across India. More than 5,000 colleges are there. But as for you, because you spent good time there in Praxis, who should target Praxis as a part of the main campus? I mean, who should keep Praxis as a first choice, or any prerequisite of the student to be the part of Praxis?
Okay, I would say कि if you're a genuine student, genuine as in if you want to work and you feel that you are not a top-notch student, if you feel that you cannot get 98-99% in CAT or something, if you are that kind of a student, no offense to anybody, but still if you are that kind of a student, if you have that thing in your mind, then I think Praxis will help you to lose out that fear, because as I said, you don't need to be a 99 percentile in CAT to get into Praxis, but you have to be a genuine student to stay there and to be on the top notch. You have to be on your toes, you have to be willing to work, I would say. So Praxis is a place that will not serve you fish, but it will teach you how to fish. That's the quoting I'm saying from our founder, Professor Charanpreet Singh sir. So he said this on our orientation day and I still remember that and I carry that always. And whoever asks me this, I say that, okay, Praxis is a place where you have the opportunity to learn and, you'll get to explore a lot of things. It's a very, very different kind of environment. The jitna educational experiences you would have had till date, वो सारा change हो जाएगा Praxis में जाके. So I think it's a very good college, or people should consider it regardless of you just cannot run behind the name, but also sometimes you have to see what the quality it's offering. So I think Praxis offers quality and it offers opportunity to each student, and it's a very friendly and a very adaptive environment there. So it should be one of your list.
Perfectly all right. Thank you so much, Richa, for the better insight about Praxis and the kind of experience you have to the corporate. I'm sure this will help people to know Praxis better from the mouth of one of the student of Praxis who has spent 2 years there. Best wishes from our side, best wishes from Guide Me, and best wishes from B School Insight for your career ahead. Thank you so much for the time today.
Thank you so much.